Okay, or the entire part of the mid-semester test might go online. Sitting in your college, you appear for the mid-semester test across the state parallelly for MCA. Student takes the test. So 70 plus 20 हो गया हमारा. So जो होता है 10 marks, institute के हाथ में 90 marks is 15 years. Once we are ready with that infrastructure, yes, target towards that mid-semester, and it's not possible that we do this mid-semester online for every subject, but wherever it is easy, in the subjects, depending upon the subject's experts' recommendation, we might go. We are thinking about e-checking of question papers. Probably will get implemented in the near future, not near, but within a span of year. We are already into 2-3 cities advanced. Your answer books, what you write will be scanned and will be sent to 2-3 examiners at a time. Understand what I am talking about? It will go to 2-3 examiners at a time. When the deviation is more than 10%, in this case, that we will refer it to the senior guy. And if there is no deviation and it's within 10%, then probably it will be an average of 3 examiners. So in those cases, student can never ever have a paper कि मेरा पेपर ठीक से चेक नहीं किया होगा, साहब ने चाय नहीं पी होगी, साहब ने किसी से झगड़ा किया होगा, पेपर चेक किया होगा. All those threats has to done away. These are our targets. As far as video is concerned, we are a small team, obviously, but we are trying our best to increase the level of transparency in the system. We tried to introduce online system of entrance test. It was just a case of clear-cut transparency. Whatever you get at the end of the test, it's the result. There is no manipulation on that. It is based on that you get admitted or you get. Your merit is based on that. So again, online admissions, even online admissions, if you have noticed earlier admissions, even the same admission committee, we were doing that, but even if we work very hard, the feeling of transparency was not that high. In this case, at the end of every round, you can see like where the students, which student has taken where, why I am not getting that, which is the college which gets, which opened at which merit number, which gets closed at which number, in whatever is the category of the student, depending upon the different categories of the student, like general category and SC, SC, whatever it is. So you can verify on your own. It's all, and it's an NIC, Central MHRD software. The admissions are being handled by central government agencies. It's NIC, National Informatics. Those who are maintaining Supreme Courts, those who are maintaining or Parliament records, Supreme Court records, all High Court records, everything. So this NIC has came to existence by Ministry of IT, those people. We did this online admission part. And online test part again is with the help of the central government agency. So there could be n number of threats. People can keep on writing. But back of our mindset, we are very sure that what we did and how far it was justifiable. Right? So that's all from my end. Any other question, please? नवी सिस्टम में कोई सवाल नहीं. You are into post graduation now. You should come up with more openness. My only recommendation to all professional students should be like make your communication not only your technical fundamentals, but make your communication, that is your English language, should be as smart as possible, because that is the only area where I have seen over a period of time that students are lacking quite a lot, and they lose meagerly because of just a communication skill. If you can understand C, C++, or if you can write a Java program, there is nothing in the world. Is it so? See, एक वस्तु अगर हम समझ लेते हैं, जे वस्तु अपनी very much useful to our career. Even if we like it or dislike it, we have to do it. English is one of them, and English should not be the reason of your rejection for a job. That will be my personal view. Fine? Thanks a lot.
I should reveal 2 secrets of chronological all the students here. I take this privilege to thank our registrar who has spent a full day with us, whether we expected it or not. He was with us for the full day, which really still runs very well in my brain because I know how busy he is. But how considerate he is to spend his full time with us without minding that the whole Monday of his busy schedule is taken away without keeping him informed that he will be here for the whole day. Thank you very much, sir, that you are not only kind to us but also to the students by giving your motivational pep talk. And I should say that you have heard it very clearly from your side that the students will not have anything to rush down to the university because you have come over here and more things very transparent. I once quite say thank you for your good services. And all this has happened because we do have one more person in the background who is also the main reason for all this to happen here today. Friends, I should tell you very frankly that for the students, I should tell you very frankly that I have come over here even before you could see how this building came. I still remember myself, Mr. Dharmendra, and our chairman, Mr. Dinesh Mathur. We three have come even during the rainy days here, at which time this building was not here. And from that time, I know how much our chairman is working towards the cause of giving you the right to information and right to knowledge. It's not that easy today to run a college. But he has proved beyond his age that he is prepared to take any challenge, like that of our registrar. I must say that in the podium day, if at all there is the youngest person, I'm sure it is a registrar day. So I should give him the credit that within a very short period, he has achieved. And touched that his own career of BTech should be an example to all the budding managers of this college. I should be a follower like the registrar who gave me a very encouraging talk and making everything open. He said many places I would still, they are ringing in my ears that you refer to the website, you refer to the website. It is put in the website. But how many of us honestly have seen the website? But you can see every hour, every day, he has been mentioning everything is put in the website. It's easy to tell you it's in the website, but it's very difficult to put it in the website. We know how much he has to work. Very thankful to you, sir. We also thank our chairman for all the difficulties and arrangements that he has done. We thank the other persons on the board who have applied much for the growth and development of this college. And the supporting staff. I remain thankful to all of you, and you have heard the day success to us. And we look forward to many such successful days with the cooperation of the registrar or the GTU. Thanks to all of you.